prayer what ma'am is reciting. Okay, children, we all are going to pray for the people who struggled against COVID-19 and for the people those who are struggling against COVID-19. Please mute yourself, close your eyes until I say open your eyes. Okay? This is silent prayer. Okay? Fine. Listen to the prayer. Oh Lord, keep us all safe during this period of horrendous tribulation. May the massive spread of this dreadful COVID-19 virus come to an abrupt end. May all those suffering heal, and may no more deaths result from this ordeal. Protect health workers, police officers, and all others who are tasked to give assistance to the sick. Have mercy on us all. Thank you, children. Open your eyes. Thank you so much, children, for giving cooperation. Now, over to Anita Preeti, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Jai Gurudev, children. Today we are going to see a grammar topic. Now I'm going to ask you a few set of questions and you'll type the answers in the chat box. Name some people you know. See, examples are given. Father, mother, milkman. Gayatri ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Clear?
Yes. Name some people you know, like father, mother, and who are all the people you know?
Type their names, children, if you know.
Yes, uncle, sister, auntie, brother. That's all you know? Yes, very good. Girl, sister, cousins, good. Granny, grandparents, friend, milkman, carpenter. Fine, very good. Now, next question. Name some places you know. Temple, good. School, park, market, beach, hospital, school, Chennai, theater, Pondicherry. Anushka, come in the chat box. Good. Madurai, yes, Anushka told Pondicherry. Mangadu, lovely children. Now, next question. Name some animals. Dog, lion, tiger, cat, puppy, fish, elephant, kitten, giraffe, goat, crocodile, zebra, cheetah, polar bear, pug, camel. Yes, lovely. Next, name things which you see. Pen, laptop, good. Bat, eraser, books, chair, jar, bat and ball, clock, computer, chocolate, iPad, plate, kite, ball, phone. Okay, so many things. Lovely. Devash, can you mute yourself? All the things. Very good. Cricket court. Oh, that is not a thing. iPhone. Okay. So, what do we understand from all these answers? We understand that everything around us has a name. These names we call it as noun. So everything around us has a name. So these names are nothing but nouns. Nouns are the names of persons, places, animals, and things. So nouns are otherwise called as naming words because they give names for everything. So we call the naming words as nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are nothing but naming words. Do you have a name? Yes. And do I have a name? Yes. I also have a name. So everyone has their own names. Anika, can you please mute yourself? So nouns are naming words. Ma'am, can you please mute Anushka? Yes, thank you, ma'am. Okay, so we understood what noun means. Nouns are naming words. Now, can we do a small exercise? Can you see the picture? Now list out all the nouns from this picture. List out all the nouns from this picture. Yes, table, chair, clock, blackboard, board, teacher, students, chalk, books, pencil, okay, fine, bag, board, fine. Yes, all these are nouns. Okay, next exercise. Now, circle the words in the box that are nouns. Then use those nouns to complete
Children, if you have mobile, please keep it in landscape model.
Yes.
Keep your mobile in landscape. Yes.
Yes. Now, Gayatri ma'am, can you annotate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Book. Is book a noun? Yes. Ball is a noun. Table. Is a noun. Run. Is that a noun? No. Run is not a Noun. It is action word, so it is something different. It is representing action, so it is not a noun. Sing? No, it is not a noun. Yes, good. It is a verb. Happy? It is adjective. Turtle? Yes, it is a noun. Song? Yes, it is a noun. Sip? No, it is action word. Sipping means to drink. We sip and drink, right? Yes. Globe? Yes, it is a noun. Jump? No, it is not a noun. It is a action word, verb. And yes, it is a noun. Pig? Yes, noun. Pencil? It is a noun. House? It is a noun. So, all these are nouns. Now, Gayatri ma'am will call out one person and that person is going to give the answer for the first one.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
use, yes ma'am.
Harjit? Harjit, please unmute yourself.
I use the dash to draw a picture for my mom.
Harjit?
Yes, give me the answer for first one, Arjit. No, I use the dash.
Anyone else? Magisha? Magisha, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Pencil.
What? Very good. Pencil. Yes. Thank you, Magisha. Next, every night we read a dash together in bed.
Yes. Satvika, can you tell? Satvika. Satvika, come on. Satvika, come on.
Book.
Book. Yes. Book. Very good, Satvika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, next is Alan Muffin.
The dirty little dash played in the mud puddle. Alan, can you give me the answer?
Alan, are you there? Okay, Mahasweta. Yeah, Alan is there, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Alan.
Pig.
Yes. Pig.
Yes, Mahasweta, next. Be ready.
He put the pumpkin pie onto the kitchen dash.
Table.
Table. Yes. Good. Table. Next. We used the dash in school today to find Africa. Ma'am, did you call someone?
Yes, ma'am, 1 second. Mitra Vinda. Yes, unmute yourself.
Give me the answer, ma'am. We used the dash in school today to find Africa.
Globe.
Yes, globe. Very good.
Very good. Okay, next one. Sainath, be ready.
Sian cut his dash on the sharp edge of the desk.
Sainath.
Ma'am.
Dev Harshit, can you answer? Dev Harshit, unmute and answer, ma.
Ma'am, I'm Srinath.
Give me the answer, Sainath.
Sixth one.
Okay, Arshan. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can I? Pencil.
No, wrong. Sian, cut is dash on the sharp edge of the desk.
Answer hand.
Good. On the PBS animal show, a dash was rescued.
Pranavi,
Turtle.
Turtle. Good. Good.
yes.
My kitty likes to play with this new rubber dash.
Yashwant, 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 answer, ma.
Next one, ma'am.
Dev Harshit.
Ball.
Yes, ma'am. He said the answer. Ball.
Yes. Good, Dagana. Ball. Ninth one. It was my turn to pick the dash for our piano teacher.
Deepak. Deepak, can you please unmute?
Ma'am, table.
No.
Answer song.
Yes, good. Answer is song. Last one. Dad wants to paint the dash blue, but mom doesn't.
Charmita, answer, ma.
Sir, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is house.
Good.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yes. So very good, children. All have answered correctly. So you understood what noun means. Okay, next we are going to look into the types of nouns. So there are two main types of nouns, common noun and proper noun. What is a common noun? If we refer something generally, that is called common noun. In common.
Common nouns are person, animal, place, thing.
Kana, please mute your audio. Listen. So if I say a boy, it can be any boy in your class. So I'm not referring to one person. I may refer in general. When I say the dog is a faithful animal, I'm referring to all the dogs. Fort. Fort is a name of a place. So it can be any fort. Car, it can be any car. So all these are in general, in common. So when we refer a noun in general, it is called as common nouns. Next, we are going to proper noun. Now, if I say, Jimmy, come here, that means I'm calling only one person. The name is Jimmy. So proper noun means we are specific to one person, place or animals or things. So that is proper noun. When I say Ginger is a faithful animal, then I'm referring only to that animal Ginger. I'm not speaking about anyone else. So that is proper noun. Example, I went to the Red Fort. That means I went only to Red Fort, which is in Delhi. So I'm specific to one particular place. Shri Ashni, can you mute yourself? Yes. So when I say Honda City, I'm referring to particular type of car. I'm not speaking about general things. So when we refer a noun specific to something, then we call it as proper noun. Special name. Ginger, Jimmy, Red Fort, Honda City. So all these are proper nouns. You understood the difference between common and proper noun? What is the rule to be followed for proper noun? You always begin the proper noun with the capital letter. Can you all see the capital letter? Been highlighted in red there. J in Jimmy, Ginger. G in Ginger. R in Red Fort, Honda City, H. All these are highlighted because to make you understand that always a proper noun should begin with the capital letter. There are also some special names which are always mentioned as proper nouns, like cities, states, names of rivers, lakes, continents. All these will be proper nouns. Days of the week. All these will be proper noun. What are the days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All these are days of the week. And months. What are all the months? January, February, all 12 months. All this will be proper noun and you should write always with the capital letter. Festivals. All the festivals you know. And all the books. The Jungle Book. What else? What are all the books you know? Magazine, newspaper. So all these comes under proper nouns. Even monuments. Monuments are some special places built in memory of some events or persons. So all these are proper nouns. So you should begin with the capital letter. So you understood common noun and proper noun. See, the difference is given. Common nouns are names generally for people, animals, places or things. Common nouns are names specific to people, animals, places or things. So common nouns do not need capital letters, but proper noun should be always written in capital letter. Example, singer. It can be any singer in general. But when we say Taylor Swift, I'm specific to one particular person with the name Taylor Swift. So did you understand the types of nouns and the difference between the common noun and proper noun? Yes. Can we do an exercise? Look at the words below and label them as common or proper noun. Tent. Tent means in common. That is a common noun. Japan. Japan is a specific name of a country. So that is proper noun. Medal. Gayatri ma'am, can you call out someone? Okay, let me call out. Sharan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you just tell me what noun it is? Medal.
Common.
Yes, common.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Dakana. Next.
Next, Aditya Ashwin.
Aditya. Ma'am, Aditya is not there.
Okay, ma'am. Mohammed Shamil. Mohammed Shamil, are you there? Children, respond immediately, children. Kanishka 3C.
Ma'am, Mohammed
Manish.
Shamil is here.
Shamil, tell me the answer.
What question, ma'am?
Rug is a common or proper noun.
Proper noun. Proper noun, ma'am.
No, is that a proper noun? Rug means blanket.
Common.
Common. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Mrs. Cooper.
You muted me, your phone. Proper noun, ma'am.
Yes, proper noun. You can mute yourself, Dakanda. Thank you. Mrs. Cooper is a proper noun. Next, frozen yogurt. Yogurt is nothing but curd. See, from the starting letter, you can identify whether it is a proper or common noun. Lakshay, can you please tell me?
Common noun.
Yes, common noun. Good, thank you, dear. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Ma'am, did you call someone? Guru Prasad.
Statue is proper noun.
Very good, Guru Prasad. Proper noun.
Okay.
Proper noun.
Last one, Girish Raghavendran. Girish Raghavendran, look at the last one.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. That's common noun.
Common noun. Very good, children. Okay. Yes, Girish, you can mute yourself. Okay. Now we will do one more exercise and we'll do a recap of the session. Yes. Now, circle C or P depending on whether the underlined noun is a common or proper noun.
Yes, ma'am. Tejaswini
Yes,
3D. Tejaswini.
Children, can you make it fast?
Arul Sai.
Proper, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arul Sai, tell the second one.
Ma'am. We live in the forest.
So forest is a proper or common noun?
Common noun.
Very good. Next one.
Yes, Harshan. Harshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Telma.
Yes,
He
ma'am.
adopted a cat from the shelter. Cat is a common or proper noun?
Proper noun, ma'am.
No.
Proper noun. Proper noun, ma'am. Proper noun, ma'am.
No, it is not specific to one cat. It can be any cat. So it is common noun. Thank you. Next.
Next, Dev Harshit. Dev Harshit.
Devarshit, can you tell me the fourth one?
Fourth one.
Lily was leaning over the counter.
Come on, Dev Harshit. What happened? Lily. It's a name of a girl, isn't it? Name of a particular girl. So what it should be? Is it a common or proper? Okay, next person. Kaushik. Kaushik 3D.
He wants to go to Paris.
Kaushik. Yes. Look at the fifth one.
What, ma'am?
He wants to go to Paris. Here, Paris is a common noun or proper noun?
Common noun.
No, Kana, it is proper noun because Paris is a particular place, isn't it? Name of a particular place. Okay, so it's a proper noun. Now, sixth one.
10 more minutes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Gayatri, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
10 more
Pratiksha.
minutes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Pratiksha. Pratiksha.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll stop till 10 and we can do the recap of the session.
Okay, ma'am. Sure. Pratiksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the sixth one. See the underlined word?
The jar crashed onto the ground.
Yarini. Next person. Yarini. Can you please unmute and tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, jar. Is that a common noun or proper noun?
Proper.
Proper means it's a name of a particular thing.
Common noun.
Yes, jar means it's a common word, isn't it? Yes, it's a common noun. Yes, next. Harshita. Harshita. Harshita, are you there? Lakshay. If you're not responding immediately, we'll move to the next one. Lakshay, come on, Kanna. Eighth one.
7th one, ma'am.
Yeah, seventh one. Look at the seventh one. Lakshay.
Yes.
Ted bought an apple. Here, Ted. Underlined word is Ted. Is that a common noun or proper noun?
Common.
Common means is there written as boy?
Proper.
Yes. If it is written as boy, a boy bought an apple. So if the word is boy means it's a common noun, but it's a name of that particular boy, isn't it? So Ted is the name of the particular boy. So it is proper noun. Okay. Fine. Next one. Litika. Litika. Unmute ma. Next person. Meenaja. Meenaja. Yes, Meenaja, look at the 8th one. Look at the underlined word.
Lake.
Lake.
Noun.
What noun is that?
Common.
Yes, it's a common noun. Fine. Mahati. Mahati. 9th one. In a basket.
A basket. Common.
Yes, it's a common noun. Next, the last one. Michael.
Ma'am.
10th one. Yes, her birthday is in February. Ma'am already mentioned, isn't it? All the months.
Common noun.
Is it a common noun? Yes, it's a proper noun. So you have to write it in capital letter. February, F should be in capital letter, isn't it? Whenever you're writing days, whenever you're writing months, the first letter should be in capital. Isn't it, children? Okay, thank you. And the last few minutes, so I'm going to show you your favorite pictures. With that, we will conclude. Okay, children? Now, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Okay, I hope that you all like the cartoon, isn't it? You all know cartoon characters? So, can anyone name the character of this? It's a bird, actually, isn't it? It's a bird. It's a small, cute little bird. Bird is a common noun. But what is the name of this bird? What is the name of that character?
Tweety.
Very good. Superb. So here, Tweety is the proper noun. Name of that particular bird. Isn't it? Okay, fine. Look at the next one. This I think only few children know this character. He is Popeye. The name of the person is Popeye. But a common noun is he's a human being, right? He's a man. But and also he's a sailor. You know what is sailor? Sailor? Yes, sailor is the common noun and he's the Popeye. The name is the proper noun. And now next one. Can anyone tell this? What animal is this? Yes, it's okay. Rabbit. Rabbit is the common noun. But what is the name of that particular? Not all rabbits. No, this character name is Bunny, isn't it? So Bunny here, Bunny is the name of that character. Ah, your favorite one, isn't it?
Mickey.
What it is? What is Mickey? Yes, it's a mouse. But there are many mouse in this world, isn't it? But why you all love Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse, particular one. So Mickey here Mickey is the name of that mouse. So mouse is the common noun and Mickey is the proper noun. And I want, please mute yourself. Yes, there is one more famous mouse in this cartoon world. One more famous.
Ma'am,
What is this? Hey, not this one. Look at the picture. Everyone got? Yes. Mute yourself. Yes. Here, Jerry is the name of that mouse. Particular mouse. Okay, fine. So here, Jerry. So you have to write Jerry in capital letter. First letter should be in capital letter. J, isn't it, children? Okay. Next one. Cat. Okay. Now I'm not going to show the picture. The common noun is cat, but I want particular characters on cat. For example, Tom.
Tom and Jerry.
Okay, Tom. Any other cat characters? In cartoon?
Doro.
Doraemon. Yes, your favorite. Cat robot, isn't it? Okay. So now you understood. A particular thing is called proper noun. Another one is common noun. Yes. Now everybody mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Yes, just one more minute. Okay, now I'm going to tell you. Teacher. It's a common noun. Name one teacher. Any teacher? Can you please name my?
Ma'am, Stella Mary.
What is my name?
Stella Mary, ma'am. Stella Mary, ma'am.
Oh, you love Stella Mary, ma'am. Okay, fine. Stella Mary, ma'am. What is she? What is your teacher?
Stella Mary, ma'am.
Okay, Stella Mary is the proper noun, isn't it?
Stella Mary, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you so much. Okay, school is a common noun.
You, ma'am.
Name one particular school.
Maharishi.
Maharishi Vidya Mandir. So Maharishi Vidya Mandir is the proper noun. Superb, children. Thank you so much. And let us conclude with this. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Oh, Jai Gurudev.
Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.